Nadja is assembling gift baskets for holiday sales at her shop. She buys 3 boxes of gourmet crackers and 4 wheels of smoked cheddar cheese for $47. She later buys 5 more boxes of gourmet crackers and 2 more wheels of smoked cheddar cheese for $41. How much does each box of crackers and each wheel of cheese cost individually? So we've read through it, and the first thing we might want to say is, well, what are we looking for? What are we trying to find? And so if we focus in on that last sentence, how much does each box of crackers and each wheel of cheese cost individually? So I'm going to introduce some variables. I'm going to say let x represent the cost of a box of crackers, and I'm going to let y represent the cost of a wheel of cheese. And let's note that each of these costs are in terms of dollars. So now let's see. In the first situation, she buys 3 boxes of gourmet crackers and 4 wheels of smoked cheddar cheese for $47. Each box of crackers costs X dollars. Each wheel of cheese costs Y dollars. And the total is $47. So I can write an equation. 3 boxes of crackers, so 3 boxes times the cost per box, plus 4 wheels times the cost per wheel, and we get in the end $47. She later buys 5 more boxes of gourmet crackers and 2 more wheels of smoked cheddar cheese for $41. So then 5x plus 2y equals 41. So we now have a system of equations that models the problem, and so now let's try to solve the system to answer the problem. So I would focus on the y's here. The coefficients on y are positive 4 and positive 2, and so thinking ahead, I'm going to multiply the second equation by negative 2. And notice what that'll do for me. That'll give me a negative 4y on the second equation, and so then I'll have opposite coefficients on y. The first equation remained the same, 3x plus 4y is equal to 47. And the second equation becomes negative 10x minus 4y is equal to negative 82. Adding these equations together provides an elimination on y, yielding negative 7x equals, let's see, negative 35. And dividing through by negative 7, we find that x is equal to 5. Now, substituting for x, I'll just use the first equation. 3 times 5 plus 4y is equal to 47. 15 plus 4y is equal to 47. Subtracting 15 from both sides. 4y is equal to 32, and dividing through by 4, we find that y equals 8. So let's write a conclusion for this problem. Remember, we were asked how much does each box of crackers and each wheel of cheese cost individually. So I'll say that each box of crackers costs $5, and each wheel of cheese costs $8.